So the name of this game is Note Name Treasure Hunt. As you can see, there's a board, and some of the symbols we're not going to recognize. Like these base cloth symbols are just going to be extras, and I'll tell you extra points, and I'll tell you what that means later. So you're going to start with your 2 chips, a dice, right? Rolling to see who goes first means you're going to roll. The person who rolls the highest number is the first one that gets to go first. You're also going to have a little worksheet that goes with it. Looks like this. And that's for you to work on individually. So your name and your class are going to be at the top. You and your partner each have one. So as you go along the board, what you're going to do is roll the dice. So I'm going to be player 1. Player 1 has rolled a 4. So I'm going to move my little chip 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. I landed on one that has a base cloth, which is a bonus point. So I'm going to go over to my worksheet. And I'm just going to put a letter X, and I'm not going to draw it on here, but you'll put a letter X over that square because it's a bonus. Player 2 rolls then. Player 2 has rolled a 1. Player 2 rolls a 1. It says move forward, so they move forward and get to the coins. So then player 2 is going to cross off on their worksheet the gold coins, which is going to give them 3 points. So we roll again, player 1's turn. They roll a 2, 1, 2. Okay, this has a treble clef on it, so this is a note name that we should recognize. I look and see try to remember what the first line on my treble clef is called. It's E, so I know that underneath it we go backwards, right? So E is the line, D is now in this bottom space. I come over to my worksheet and write on that square the letter D. That tells me that I have that one. So I would write the letter D here. And you keep going, so on and so forth, until you get back to the start line. So once a player's made it around the treasure map twice, then we're going to check our work with the answer key, which you'll see is right here. It has all the letter names written underneath, and add up the points. You get a point for every correct answer you have, plus if you have any bonus points with the base cloth, you get 1 point for those, and if you have any gold coins, it'll depend. So some of them are worth 3, but if you look down here, this one is worth 10, and if you look at the treasure chest, the treasure chest up here is worth 3 as well. So there are some bonus things. The player who has the most points is the winner. Pretty simple, right? This little guy is worth nada, the little shovel. So there's nothing going on there. You get nothing for that one. You just have to mark it off. So, to recap, you go around the board 2 times. Once you've gone around 2 times, you get to add up everything with your partner. The person with the most points is the winner.